Hi, Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions here. Are you becoming extinct? How much do you value your photo memories? Those questions may seem harsh, but how many of us have boxes and bins full of priceless photo memories, only to realize the next generation may not know the stories or the timeless memories they hold? Instead, they may receive boxes of photos only to place them in the attic, basement, or even the trash because they're not organized in any way, and they don't know anything about the photos or the people in them. In other words, they don't want a mess. Taking the time to organize and digitize photos and their stories so you can hand them off to the next generation can be seamless. It passes along the best of the best with a digital copy. It's easier to store and it takes up much less space. Organized images and memories are also easier to find. They're easier to display and share with family and friends. Most importantly, they're backed up with a digital copy, allowing peace of mind against unexpected disasters. It will be a collection worthy of passing on to your friends and family. If you'd like to know how to start organizing and preserving your photos and video memories, sign up for free at saveyourphotos.org. If you have questions, ask them in the comments below so that I can help you start using your photos to tell your stories so they will last for generations to come.